Hello and welcome to GNT Creator YouTube channel. In this video we will create a JMeter test case together. Let's start from step number 1, open JMeter. In my case JMeter's folder is on the desktop. Let's open our terminal first. Terminal, I hit return, then cd desktop and return. Then I'll type ls to see which folders and files do I have on my desktop. I have Apache JMeter folder. Let's copy that, type cd and paste Apache JMeter folder, then cd bin. I know that the bin folder is inside. Then ls to see which files and folders do we have here. jmeter.sh. Let's copy that, sh, and paste the name. Right, so this command will allow us to open jmeter.sh file, to execute this file. As you can see, Apache JMeter has been launched. The first thing we can see here is the test plan. In JMeter, a test plan is a fundamental element that serves as a container for your performance test. It is where you define and organize all the components, settings, and configurations for simulating users' interactions with your application or system. The test plan outlines the structure and behavior of your performance test, specifying which elements to execute, the order of execution, the various settings that govern the test run. Let's do the right click on the test plan and create new thread group. Right click, add threads, thread group. As you know from my previous video, thread group is a fundamental element that represents the group of users or virtual clients that will execute a set of operations defined in your performance test plan. The most important section is thread properties, which is right here. We can set up a number of users, means how many users should perform this test, ramp up period in seconds. The ramp up period specified in seconds determines the time it takes for all the threads to start. During this period, JMeter starts the thread one by one until the total number of threads is reached. For example, if you have thread group with 100 threads and ramp up period with 20 seconds, each thread will start with the delay of 0.2 seconds. So it's going to be 20 seconds divided by 100 threads. And loop count right here. How many loops or iterations should be performed? By default, it's set up to 1, but we can click this infinite checkbox. It means that it will be performed until stopped manually. We will set up each field to 1 for now. Then we need to add sampler to specify what kind of request do we need to send to our server. Let's do the right click on the thread group and add a sampler. Add sampler. As you can see, we have different options here. But we need to choose HTTP requests. Alright, so as you can see, we can change the name, leave a comment here, and we have protocol, server ID, server name or IP, HTTP requests, and the path, right? So basically, I'm gonna use my personal website, gntcreator.com. All I need to do here is to copy this URL and go to my JMeter and paste it here in the server name or IP. The couple things I need to change before running the test. So I need to delete this HTTPS and change it to www and dot. And the slash I need to delete and type it in the path right here. So basically that's everything I need to change in the HTTP request. Now, after we have HTTP request, we need to get the result report. Let's do the right click on thread group and add some listeners. The first type of report is going to be view result tree. This is one type of the report, and the second one is going to be view results in table. At this point, we have a test plan inside one thread group, one HTTP request inside, and two type of reports. Now let's save our test plan by clicking save button on top and give it a name. So we're going to need to click test plan first, then save button. And as you can see, it has .jmx extension. Let's change the name to test plan 1 and hit save. The selected files already exist because I tried that before, and I'm just gonna override it, yes. Now we can just select our test plan right here and click the green triangle on top. It's gonna run or execute our test plan. Let's do that. Let's click on the first report, view results tree, and hit the HTTP request. As we can see, we have all the information related to our report. We have the response code is 200, response message is okay, and all the rest of the information like a sample, start, load time, etc. Let's click on the second report. Second report, view results in table. Again, we can find all the information related to our request stored in one line, such as sample number, start time, thread name, label, etc. We made this iteration with only one user. Let's change settings to multiple users. So let's go to thread group again, and as you can see, we have number of thread 1, ramp up period 1, and loop count 1 again. So let's change number of threads to 10 and ramp up period to, let's say, 3 seconds. Before running, we need to delete previous report data. So we have two options here. By clicking clear this button, it will delete info from the current entity. But we need to click clear all to delete all the entities right here. So let's click on test plan and clear all. As you can see, we don't have any information right now. It means it was cleared. Let's save it again and execute. Test plan, save, and execute. As you can see, we had 10 threads or users. All the information is here, and it is pretty good organized with each report. If you have any questions, you can always leave a comment below. If you like this video, please hit your thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It was JNT Creator. See you in new videos. Bye.